Hey everyone, welcome back to NailNovice. I see a lot of acrylic tutorials where they encapsulate angel paper, but not so many with gel polish. You can use it with gel polish though, and I'm going to show you how. This is angel paper and often how it will come packaged. It's like a colour shift cellophane and it comes in many different colours. This one looks very pinky purple obviously, and I've got two swatch sticks here. A light colour and a dark colour to show you how the one coloured paper can create different effects when used over different shades. Firstly, you want to cut the angel paper into little shards. Triangle shaped shards is a really popular way to use it. The swatch stick has had its base coat and two colour coats applied. And to apply my angel paper, because of the pointy, sticky up edges, the inhibition layer alone is not going to be enough to secure it in place. So I'm coming in with my gel polish base layer again. You need a wet layer of polish to push the pieces into, but I find I can get the thinnest application using my base gel. I'm then using tweezers to manoeuvre the pieces in place, giving them a little tap or move to slightly move them over if needed, and then pressing the pieces down and into the wet layer to ensure the ends and edges won't go anywhere in the meantime. It's into the lamp to cure, then I'm going to float a generous layer of structure, correction, builder in a bottle gel, whatever you're using, over the top to encapsulate the angel paper and fill in any divots where you've pressed the pieces down. Into the lamp to cure, and then finishing off with your top coat. And that's the angel paper encapsulated on natural nails. Now this was over the light coloured swatch, but see here on the dark coloured swatch how it's picked up the opposite colour in the paper and it takes on more of a green effect over black.